When you do the Buddhist practice, actually it should be throughout 24 hours. You cannot say this is the practice and this is the fighting practice or something like that. The influence of that practice, Buddhist practice, must be there throughout your the day and night. That's important. Okay, but you know uh, we do explain the two states, meditative state and post meditative state. That means in order to really transform your mind, you need to concentrate. Okay, you need to concentrate. So that means the meditative state. You need to analyze. That is called analytical meditation. So that is also meditative state. Okay, but whatever you have meditated during the meditative state, which looks nice, you are sitting somewhere, not doing all the mundane things, it looks nice. But whether that meditative practice has really influenced your life or not is determined by how you behave with others during the post meditative state, when you go to work, when you talk to people. So, therefore, the influence of meditation must go during the post meditative state, which is the rest of your day. So, that way, I was saying that your practice should influence the whole 24 hours of your day.